Hi, I'm Kelsey, and I made a Matlab program that calculates the trajectory of a projectile object. So it's called trajectory, and it asks for the initial velocity in the x direction and the initial velocity in the y direction, which in this case is up, and the initial velocity in the z direction. So it's a 3D program. And also you can put in an initial height, and it asks for the gravitational constant so that you can use it in places other than the Earth. We're going to do 10 right now. So that is basically it. What it did here was, here we can rotate this. This is the 3D trajectory. So it goes from the starting point to when the object hits the ground. This one is the trajectory in just the xy plane, and this is the zy plane. And if you look here, it calculated the time that it took to reach the maximum height, and then it tells you the maximum height. And then it also calculates the time it takes to hit the ground and how far the object traveled in the x and z directions. So to do this, I just used a script, and I basically have one loop for the first calculation, which is for the maximum height and the time it took, and then one loop for to find the final height, or the final time, and then it plots everything. And then I also used this function, which is just to calculate the y, the height in the y direction. So I used that for the loops. And that's pretty much it.